There is a whole lot to be afraid of in the depths of the sea, where the sunlight barely reaches. It's an unforgiving place and houses creatures that are just as intense, including fish resembling skulls like the northern stargazers and bug-like crustaceans like the giant isopod. These are 10 terrifying things in the oceans primarily live along the floor, where some have waited centuries to be discovered by scientists. Number 1. Fang-toothed fish. The fang-toothed fish is another deep-sea dweller with a name to match its appearance. Its teeth are disproportionately large compared to its overall frame, making a perfect prison cell for prey after being sucked into its mouth. Number 2. Frilled shark. The most terrifying part about the frilled shark is its massive rows and rows of teeth spanning a total of 300 individual teeth across 25 rows. Frilled sharks can grow up to 6 feet in length and are said to be constrict their prey like snakes. Number 3. Gulper eels. As their name indicates, gulper eels have massive mouths. The lengthy deep-sea creatures can swallow prey whole for that very reasons. The animal is so adept at eating large objects that its mouth and its stomach expand to accommodate food. Number 4. Giant squid. Giant squid was recently discovered and captured by scientists in 2006. Giant squids are exactly as large as their name implies, with eyeball 10 inches in diameter and weighing up to 440 pounds. Number 5. Northern stargazer. Found in the eastern United States, the northern stargazer burrows itself in the sand of camouflage. When unsuspecting prey comes near, the fish electrically shocks it into submission. This fish is not just painful to look at, but actually a painful animal to encounter. If you want to see part 2 of this video, then don't forget to mention in comment sections.